Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add neon effect on button with lightning in Elementor Pro WordPress using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. So this is our button, and then on left side you see advanced, so click on it. So we are going to add custom CSS, and then scroll down, you see multiple options, so click on custom CSS. Now paste, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see neon effect on button with lightning. So this is our lightning effect on button. Now you see, and then you see selector. So this is our color white. Now you see border white. Dark, so this is our dark color, white, and then you see glow red. Now you see glow red. So you can add color scheme according to requirement. And then you see animation, animate 5 second, linear infinite, and then you see keyframe animate, so you can see numbers, so you can adjust value according to requirement. Now you see selector ray, text shadow, box shadow, so this is a box shadow. Now you see transition, so you can add color scheme and you can adjust number according to requirement for button, and then click on update. Now you see lightning effect. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page, and now you see lightning neon effect on button in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.